Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on the stage.
Here go. Man with the plan, baby.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. What a glorious day, man, to be you, man. But we out here at the first stop, man. We doing this Porsche Make It right now. I already finished the exterior of the car, completely got the car completely done on the exterior. We're about to go ahead and hop in this interior real quick. But if you look at the wheels, you can tell they've been cleaned pretty well because the black is black and shiny, and they usually be dirty and everything. But we got the car looking good. Got all the road grime off the side of the car. Got all the bugs. So she live in an area where it get pretty dark, so the bugs get really heavy out here. But we're gonna go ahead and wipe that, do this interior real quick. Gonna be a quick zoom, zoom, zap, zap, bam, real quick. Y'all already know how it go, man. We take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, when you take so much pride in what you do, you actually do it well, man. So on that note, I hope whatever you do in your life, man, God bless you with the hands you got. So be proud of whatever your hands doing, man. If you're a carpenter, construction, welder, whatever it is, man, take pride in it, man, because not everybody able to be LeBron James, Steph Curry, Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, you know, people like that, man. So we gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, you know, and we're gonna finish this car. So I got another stop to go to. Got 2 more stops, and I'm gonna go ahead and do some stuff with my kids. We're gonna do these YouTube videos today. And on that note, like always, stay consistent, stay relentless, stay persistent. And on that note, you already know how it go, man. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. You already see us, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. If you're in Nashville or the surrounding Tennessee area, you can give us a call at 615-485-8449. If you wanna see our prices, go to Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. YourWayMobileCarCare.com to see all my work. And since you're on YouTube, you already see some of the work we do. But on that note, I'm gonna get out of here so I can do this car, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this Porsche making, got the whole car done. Like I said, the exterior of the car, you see the tires shining. Then we actually got in the interior, wiped it down, vacuumed it, things like that. But whole car done. We're about to get ready here to the next stop, which is probably about 10-15 minutes from here. But that's not too far. Once I get in the van, you start getting to moving and shaking. But you see, it's a beautiful neighborhood. They actually got a golf course in their neighborhood, so that's what they actually went to go do is play golf. But like I said, we just finished this Porsche making that white on black, but it looks great, you know what I mean? And I hope on that note, y'all go out there and clean your car. If you need to clean your car, clean your house. I know I need to clean my house. I'm ready to just pay for some maids, man, for real. That house get annoying clean, so damn big. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do. We done made it to the second stop. We actually doing this Porsche Cayenne. We already working on this exterior. It's pretty hot already. Hot supposed to be 81 degrees. But if you look, we already working on the wheels, and then we're gonna work on the exterior of the car, then we're gonna work on the interior. Interior not really that bad, probably a typical debris. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Kind of pressed for time. She said she gotta leave soon. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We first got this second car finally done. It's this Porsche. If you look at it, got a nice shine to it. That black look good when it's clean. But if you look at the car already, it's the pollen already covering the car. If you look, you know what I mean, pollen already covering the car, so that's the only thing that suck about this time. But interior of the car came out well. We made sure we vacuumed everything thoroughly, wiped down all the seats correctly, you know what I mean, we wiped down all the monitors, dashboards, the gear shift, monitors, TVs, things like that, windows, even though those are back up. But we got the whole car done. We got 1 more car done. We had 2 more to do, but she canceled because of the rain tomorrow. So we about to go ahead and do this new customer. He's over literally by my house, so that's what make it even better. But we about to go ahead and hop in here. It's actually 80 degrees right now, man, so it's kind of hot right now. I'm gonna stop at the store, get something to drink, because I am thirsty. But on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. I ain't gonna even say it, man. And on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, which is this Toyota RAV4, man. We over here in Antioch knocking out the car. It was a guy who got my information off Google. So he contacted me yesterday, tried to get the work done yesterday, but you know, Saturdays and days I do stuff for kids. But we got the car completely knocked out in and out. Car looks good. You know what I mean? I know he's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. We got it done in and out, gave it a good vacuum, good wipe down, things like that. But you know what I mean? We about to get ready to head to the house, do some things with the kids, man, work on these YouTube videos, things like that, man. So on that note, we're gonna catch y'all on another one, man. Stay dedicated. Like always, man, one love thyself. You can't love nobody without love yourself. Y'all remember that. Remember, I'm gonna keep saying that. And on that note, like always, man, Stay blessed and peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on
Here
the
go,
stage,
here
alright?
go. Man with the plan, baby.
Man with the